Anybody's birthday in January? Your January kids are? No? Okay. Richard, birthday kids are little. Richard. Come here, guys. Boys, girls. Okay, tonight. You know why we're here tonight? No. Happy Chinese New Year. One week today. Second, my wife Lisa's 26th birthday.
Just read it the other way around.
And Richard's 12th birthday. September 13. Anybody watch a movie, song, the music?
Yes.
I am. What's this? I am. You are 16. I'm 13 going 14.
Wow. I'm Christ.
Okay. If you guys want to keep at 26-year-old forever, there's a model to learn from.
You just leave with your hands.
Okay.
Okay, just behind now.
Okay. Alright, so my age doesn't matter, right? For this year, I'm 68, reverse is 86, even older, so forget it. Okay, keep young forever. And I want everybody to share the happiness, share all the food that we share with your blood, and we mix some. And eat! Take it!雞髀打喺牙教軟晒。係啊，早晨。Three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish. Okay, this is Simo's 26th birthday, Richard's 13th birthday,
Make a speech.
and his 50th birthday.
You look young for 50.
Okay, make a wish and blow the candle before it burns the cake. Anybody taking pictures?
It's okay, doesn't matter.
一啦，
嚟你兩個一齊 cut 啦。
阿一去咗邊啊？一。
係啊。
搞乜鬼啊？你睇你再遲啲啊！佢又大多1歲又再遲啲。
影咗啦，嗰日影咗好多。
OK，
我都未分啲相同你晒啲出嚟。
攞嚟分得出。你再手切咯。Okay, technical support. Now everybody got to eat a piece.